So let's bring in Jon Najarian, the co-founder of Market Rebellion, talk a little bit more about some of these numbers and what they tell us about our economy pre-Thanksgiving. Jon, thank you. What's the message? Where do we stand?
Well, right now, I think the consumer is still getting over what happened, of course, with the government shutdown, Connell.
Yeah.
And obviously, some of the fears that came out of that are that their jobs are a little more vulnerable than they thought. That's not a good thing. If indeed some of these openings are being filled more aggressively going forward, because you and I know we're going to see some jobs numbers that are going to be pretty distressing.
Yes. The stock market keeps going up, though. So that's all Fed related, or what's going on?
Well, yeah, we had 5 or 6 days straight where they were just pounding on the market.
Yeah,
so to see a 500-point up day and then a 650-point up day, that's definitely more in keeping with what people like myself that are long the market would like to see. But to your point, I think we're going to see people nervous about what AI is going to do. A lot of positives about AI, but a lot of negatives about it as well. And right now, I'm one of those 82 million you talked about, Connell, except I'll replace trains with boats. So I'm boats, planes, and cars. And right now I'm in a car because the weather's been bad enough that I wasn't able to get to my brother Pete's house in Minneapolis early enough. So I had to do it from here in the car.
So you're
yes,
driving?
Sir.
You're driving?
Well, I'm parked right now, just to be safe.
Oh, well, that's nice. Yeah.
But
so
yeah,
because I was like, doesn't Jon
miles.
spend a lot of his time in Puerto Rico? You're not driving from Puerto Rico, though. You
Well, I drive down there, but yeah, that's the boats part. Boats, planes, and then driving the last mile.
Listen, real quick, you were talking about a minute ago, it's interesting because we were talking about confidence dropping. People are worried about a lot of stuff, about jobs and everything else that you outlined. But then you said that you're, quote, long the market, which means that you're betting stocks are going to go up, right? So why?
Yeah.
What do you see?
Well, everything from Symbiote today, for instance, SYM, that's a stock that we've talked about that is an AI-related stock. It's not right up there with AMD and NVIDIA and a lot of the data centers, but it certainly is one of the stocks that's really benefiting. And if you look at the move that SYM made today, it makes you bullish for not just companies, Connell, that put their that suffix on the end of their name, like something.ai, but instead people that are really exploiting AI, like this is for warehouses and things like that. You can only imagine how it can streamline a lot of what a warehouse might be doing, and which goods need to be the closest to the front of that warehouse, which goods can be a little further away, and all kinds of different ways that you could basically move goods and or services in a proper fashion so that consumers and the business B2B can actually get a hold of this stuff faster as well.
You're betting on all this stuff. Forget the AI bubble. There's still a long road ahead and a long way to run for a lot of the companies that are involved in it. But more importantly, is Pete going to have a good feast? Is this going to be worth it for you, this long drive, or what do you think?
Oh, it's always worth it. His wife, Lisa, puts on a heck of a spread, Connell.
I knew there was a reason you'd go to all this trouble.
Just the charcuterie tray alone. The charcuterie tray alone. I'm in charge of the wine. But my brother Pete and his wife, they put out a spread. We'll put a lot of pictures out on social, and I'll make sure I tag you and NewsNation.
Keep that wine. Keep it in place, by the way, until the car ride's over. That's my only advice. Have a happy Thanksgiving, Jon, okay? Thanks very much for coming on and going to this trouble. Good luck on the trip.